Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Lexus IS250 brake pads. Jack the car, secure it on stands, and remove both front wheels before starting the brake job. Inspect calipers, pads, rotors, and brake lines for wear or leaks. Use a C-clamp to retract the caliper piston carefully. Replace pads, reassemble hardware, torque lug nuts to spec, bleed brakes if needed, and test drive slowly to ensure proper braking. Gather the tools and parts listed so the job flows smoothly. You will need a jack, stands, 14mm socket, torque wrench, C-clamp, brake grease, new pads, and rags. Confirm pad type fits Lexus IS250 front or rear as required. Keep brake fluid on hand for minor top-offs. Wear gloves and eye protection and work on a level surface. Take photos of caliper setup to aid correct reassembly. Label hardware to avoid mistakes. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation. The Simple Path to Wealth is a book that changes how you think about saving, investing, and priorities. On another note, the discipline needed for brake maintenance pairs nicely with smart money habits. Check the description for the book link and other deals related to tools. Thanks again. Now let's get back to the video. Start by loosening lug nuts before lifting the car. Remove wheel, unbolt caliper, and hang it with a hook to avoid stress on brake hose. Slide old pads out, inspect rotor condition, and measure thickness against spec. Compress pistons slowly using C-clamp and a block to prevent damage. Install new pads with grease on backing, reattach caliper and torque bolts to manufacturer specs, reinstall wheel, lower car, and torque lug nuts properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.